sis, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you barefaced because the girl has been busy, but I wanted to share with you guys some of these things that I picked up. We have everything from skincare to makeup to nails. So I'm going to share with you all things that I grabbed. We're going to go over the price points and see, did your girl save some coin or did your girl save some coin? So let's get into this. But before we do, don't forget the rules of obligation. Don't forget, if you like this video and want to see more of it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to know about what we got going on, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. And if you know someone who'd be interested in knowing about some of the products that we picked up, don't forget to share, because sharing is caring.
It's caring. Let's
jump into this bag and see what we got. The first thing we got was Versali. Now, Versali is an item, it's a brand that I heard a lot about. I just haven't dove into it because guess what, boo-boo? It's a little expensive. My coins are limited and so I can't be overly friendly. But I found this online where it's like a little, I'm gonna call it like a sampler from Versali, where you get to test out four of their serums. So I went ahead and picked that up. So this is the Versali Skin Goals little minis. There are 4 of them in here. It was $25. Regular price on this item is $54. Like I said, your girl ain't gonna spend $54 on just a 30-ounce bottle or something, and then guess what? Your girl ain't loving it. Correction, it's 30 milliliters. They're measured in milliliters.
Yeah, your boy ain't gonna spend that kind of money. Gonna try these out now.
Yeah. So the first one is the green bottle. It is the Skin Tune Blur, and it is a serum that softly blurs the skin and reduces the appearance of pores, imperfections, and leaves a brightened, fine-tuned effect. Does your chair not roll?
Yeah, it rolls. I gotta hit me booty.
I'll give you the full tea when we use this in my video. The next one is the purple one, which is the Unicorn Essence.
That smells good, like chocolate.
Okay, so this is their antioxidant serum and primer.
It smells like candy. It smells nice.
Candy.
Yeah. Tastes like candy.
Don't taste it.
Nah, I ain't gonna taste it.
You might be disappointed. So the next one we picked up is the white bottle, the Rose Gold Elixir. And the Rose Gold Elixir says...
That stinks. Ooh.
So the Rose Gold Elixir is a fast-absorbent, lightweight beauty oil infused with 24 karat gold, rose hip seed oil, and pure botanicals. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I use rose hip oil already as part of my skincare routine, so I don't know how much in love I'm gonna be with like a $54 version of it because it has gold flecks in it, but we'll try it. And the last one that came in this set is the black bottle, which is, here we go, their Volcanic Elixir.
Got a weird smell.
It's a hydrating moisturizer. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. What's that? What we got?
We got that one.
Alright.
Okay, so the next thing we ordered is for the hands. We ordered some polish. So the next item that I ordered was from the brand Madam Glam. I like Madam Glam. I've heard a lot about them. They have a lot of different varieties of things.
Yeah, I've got to see this box. This
was very well packaged. I was not the least bit when I seen this packaging, the way they put everything in here to make sure it's gonna get to your doorstep safe. Okay, I'm talking. This is padded down.
I'm telling you.
But I'm happy with that, so I will definitely be grabbing some more items from Madam Glam just because I know that I'm not gonna have to wrap things spilling, breaking, or coming in damaged. So the first one I picked up is the shade Reba. Or Ryba. It's R-Y-B-A. This is a cat's eye polish. Its regular price $24.95. At the Black Friday sale, I got it for $12.48. So I ain't mad at it. It's a really pretty color. I swatched it on a fingertip, which I'll just go get. This is really pretty, goldeny, orangey bronze almost. I would probably lean toward like an orange bronze color, but it is a cat's eye. So I've been wanting to pick up more and more cat's eye. I currently have a green one, a purple one, I think. He would do that, and I ain't got no paper towel. I'm gonna swatch these on my little demo hand and I'll insert those in here as well.
Let's do that. Okay, what's the next one?
The next one is a top coat. It is their top coat gel. Regular price is $19.95. I picked it up for $9.98.
Yep.
And the last shade I picked up is a purpley cat's eye. It's called Spirit in the Sky. This is gorgeous. I saw it online and was like, I have to have this one. But we'll go into all that jazz and I'll show you guys this on different swatches. But that is Madam Glam. We got 3 polishes and spent a whopping $39.89. Not bad.
Ooh, we got some goodies.
Okay, so my next stop was at my favorite shop, ColourPop.
Bars.
The first thing I picked up was the Turmeric Milk. He's probably putting gel polish all over himself because he didn't cure it, so it's probably just like smearing everywhere.
Some is missing. Okay. We'll make it work.
That's your shirt.
It's gone now. Turmeric oil, almond milk, camu. Is that a word?
You said it.
And licorice.
Licorice?
Licorice?
Licorice is what you just said.
Licorice.
Alright, so the turmeric milk is regular price $14. We got it on sale. Not bad, not bad. I do like 5th rate beauty items. I think they're really, really nice. Nicety. If you're not familiar with turmeric is an anti-inflammatory. It can also help with evening out your skin tone. I used an entire bottle of this and I loved it. So obviously I'm repurchasing. I literally ran out right when I placed this order. So thanks for coming through ColourPop with that sale, because you know your girl hits that bad boy up at least twice a year. And do like a really big shop. And then I'll do like little small things like this where I just sort of like replenish. So that's the turmeric milk.
Okay.
The next thing on my list is the Cloud Bank Milky Cleanser. I like this. This is the cleanser that I use when I wake up. In the morning you wake up, before you put on your makeup. You have no idea what song it is, do you?
No. You gotta let me know what song that is, because I don't know. This thing look like it come in a casket, boy.
Their packaging is so cute. I love this. Their 5th Rate Beauty brand is really, really nice. I love this cleanser. It's like a milky cloud color, i.e. the name. I use like 1 to 2 pumps in the morning. Going for myself a good 60-second cleanse and I'm good to go. So the last thing on the list is a 4-piecer.
Okay, try it again.
Hold on.
Drink some water.
The thirst.
That's not water.
No, it's not.
Okay.
How you gonna drink water?
Give me some water. That's not water.
So the last thing that I picked up from ColourPop will be a little 4-piecer. It was called the Seriously Good Serums. I like their serums. I've used 2 of them, and the 2 that I have used is actually in this bundle. So I was really excited about that. And the 2 that I was interested in was also in this bundle. I was literally ordering these things separately. You should probably just open it from the bottom. Oh, well, you don't got it now.
Yeah. Okay.
I was supposed to open it from the bottom and you have a little thing in it.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is...
We have Rainfall. It is a hyaluronic acid serum.
I think I bought 2 of these, so I still have some, but me and John use it together.
Yeah, one thing you shouldn't do, don't use 2 acids like these on your face in the morning like I did. My face was tingling. I felt plump, and I was like, woo! Boy, I tell you, I ain't gonna do that no more.
John's skin type is oilier than I am, and we can sort of like partner up and use the same skincare, even though he's oilier. I'm like normal to oily. John is just oily.
It's shiny. Wake up, I got chicken grease all over my face.
So these have all worked for him. He has to do these, some of the more intense things more often just to kind of like control his oiling. But as long as he fully does his mask, he's pretty good to go. I don't have to do mask as often because my skin isn't as oily.
What's that new mask that they got?
The charcoal?
No, it's the one that's like a hail mask or something like that.
Oh. Oh, he's talking about that Hell Piggy one, and it's like a peel-off charcoal mask.
Y'all want to see me do that? Y'all let us know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna actually do it.
We did the rainfall,
Okay,
so it's next.
rainfall. Then we got this one, Remedy.
Oh, here it is, right here. It's 10% more.
10% niacinamide.
We'll put it on the bottom of the screen. It's a 10% niacinamide serum.
Cinnamide? Yeah.
It's a form of vitamin B3, works wonders for all skin types, enhances skin clarity, perfect pores over time, and boosts overall skin health. I like this one. I use this one predominantly at night, so I can kind of like sleep in it and it's not being like compounded by my makeup. So the next one is
Radiate. This bottle here
is so cute.
is crazy.
So if you look at it on the website, it's literally like yellow at the top and orange at the bottom. The directions say that you need to shake this really, really well before using it. And when you do, it turns out this really pretty, like peach meets grapefruit juice color.
It's crazy.
It's so pretty. I've been wanting to pick up some vitamin C serums because I want to make my skin look brighter and just healthier. And so this was something that I wanted to pick up. The last one is
That's the one.
Reveal.
Reveal. I'm getting good at this.
Yeah, it was so bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. I'm getting good at this.
Reveal is a 10% AHA serum which refines and resurfaces to support skin clarity and reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. And I believe that was everything from
That's
that order.
everything from ColourPop.
And this puppy, oh my god, I placed this order on the 3rd. They sent me a confirmation letter and all that jazz. This package did not show up in my mailbox until the 24th. This was the last thing to show up. And I've been waiting for this.
We've been waiting for this.
Cause honey, let me tell you, if you watch my videos, you know your girl is a stan for Juvia's Place. I just don't like going to the stores all the time and getting the disappointment of, OMG, it's sold out in my color. I'd rather just go online. Let's just call it what it is.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go in the order in which I received everything. So the first thing we picked up is NAMIB. And this is a setting powder. I already have a setting powder from Juvia's Place. You gotta take the thing out.
Alright, let me take it out.
So, like I said, I have another setting powder. I have another setting powder from Juvia's Place. I use it when I want to have a very illuminating. I don't want to say bright because it sounds like, you know, your girl's putting like the lightest shade under. But really, it's just a really warm, deepy golden color. So I picked up this one. He is like for real struggling.
It was at this moment Keisha realized he was special.
I promise you I am. I got some of it on my finger. We can do it like that. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. Now how do I do this? Just a little tap. It's not much. There we go.
This is supposed to be a really warm powder. So it's supposed to be like deep, warm. So I'm hoping this will go really well as part of my routine to set my entire face. So if you're familiar with my video, when I do my full face, it'll be foundation, highlight, contour, and then I would set with the other shade, and then I would set my entire face with a brown shade. So hopefully this will be my new brown shade, and then I can just use my Sephora Micro Smooth to give me that airbrush finish. And the next thing on my list that I picked up was the I Am Magic Flat Top Foundation Brush. I got this on sale for $6.50. But I think this is such a pretty brush. It's like vanilla and chocolate bristles. It's so cute. It's a flat brush. It has a slight angle to it. It feels really nice. It's very dense, which I think would be really great for foundation, whether it's the cream or the stick ones. I think this would be really, really nice. So the next thing that I picked up was, I finally got my hands on the Nomad palette. This one I picked up for $10. The next thing that I finally got my hands on, oh my god, I've been picking this up for a while. I've just been slow about it. So if you're not aware, then I'll be the one to share the tea with you guys. Juvia's Place also released a foundation in a foundation stick. So I picked up 3 shades and we're hoping that I picked the right shades. The first shade I picked up was Sokoto. This is a rich brown. I thought this would be really nice. I'm hoping this is my foundation shade. We're gonna swatch these for you. So the first shade is here. Ooh, that's creamy. Let's see what it looks like in jar. That's a pretty shade. And this is on
It's sticky.
The second one we picked up was Jacmel. And this is a really pretty shade. I'm leaning towards the fact that this might be hecka bright. But here we go. So there's the second one. This one I think I picked up to be my highlighter shade, and I think I picked up the other one to be my actual foundation shade. So we might have just went too light. So the last shade that I picked up was Namibia. And I grabbed this one to be my contour shade. John wants to swatch on me.
Yeah, there you go. That's not bad.
That's good.
That's not bad.
So trying to get
It's
a contour
good.
shade didn't work out.
It's good.
So I pulled it up online and found out that they are selling their foundation sticks in Kingdom bundles. So this is the one that I probably should have got. Their deep dark Kingdom bundle. They feel good. Like blending them out was really easy. That is everything that we picked out. So in total, it took us, we placed our orders on the 3rd. We picked up a package. The first one came in about a week. The second one was a little over a week, but less than 2 weeks. And then this last one from Juvia's Place came on the 24th. So it took 3 weeks basically for that last one to come through. But one thing that I wanted to say, if you're an online shopper and you're ordering anything, especially during the holiday season, please be patient because they're doing a whole lot of orders and with a whole lot of people, with holiday traffic and blah, 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 it will take time. So even though I wanted to get this video out sooner and share with you guys everything I got, I literally just got everything. So that's all. So we're gonna get out of here and move on to the next thing on the menu, which is probably getting ready for bed. Yeah. That Christmas video took a lot out of this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stop by and check that out and let us know what you think. If you like these type of videos where I share with you about me spilling all my coins, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And as always, my lovelies, thank you so much for stopping by. Continue to live boldly and in color, and we will see you in the next one. Peace. Welcome to behind the scenes of our unboxing video.
It's not behind the scenes. This video is over with.
I was like, John hugged me and got transferred from my swatch. It looks nasty.
It is disgusting.
Touch it. Yeah.
Finish him.
We're out, people. Bye.